I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Now today we are discussing about the modern concept of entrepreneurial entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Basically, nothing is to be changed. Whatever the new, whatever the old, each and everything is the same thing is to be there. But this is the time of mutation. जो आज है वो कल नहीं, जो कल होगा वो आगे नहीं. So we have to add on certain things. Like you have to go through this Corona crisis. Corona is the virus in our system from last so many years, but day by day he becomes strengthened, become now it is to be converted into COVID-19 like that. This is so in this entrepreneurship concept is now changed. Earlier the concept is to be there, earning the bread is known as entrepreneurship. We want to do something for my need, that's why I become the entrepreneur. Now the concept is little bit changed. In this concept, in the modern concept of entrepreneur or modern concept of entrepreneurship, there are certain things in this concept. The main thing. Earlier, हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे ग्रैंडफादर कहते थे, पुशअप करते थे, कुछ करो कुछ करो कुछ करो. Now condition will be changed. ज्यादा प्रेस करेंगे और मैं उतना टेंशन नहीं झेल पाऊंगा तो मैं जाके सुसाइड कर लूंगा. ऐसे जैसे पेपर्स में आता है कई बार. इट्स नॉट कि सबकी वो टेंडेंसी होगी, बट हम ये चलते हैं कि शायद कुछ लोगों की वो टेंडेंसी आ जाए. सो नाउ द पेरेंट्स हैज चेंज्ड देयर व्यूज, देयर सराउंडिंग हैज चेंज्ड देयर व्यूज. दे वांट टू मोटिवेट देम कि यू शुड डू why. So in this process, in this entrepreneur, in this concept has to be there. The first is voluntary initiations. Voluntary initiation. Come down. As per the concept of entrepreneurship. Because entrepreneurship is voluntary initiation of individuals of society. They conceive the business ideas, refine them, develop them, and translate them into industrial activities. It is the voluntary initiation of such people which cause economic development of a country. The economic development of a country is the second phase. First phase, economic development of our surrounding. Surrounding is our parents, myself, our siblings. So when this concept come down in our blood, in our system, we will start the units to be there. First thing. Second is balanced growth. Balanced growth. Second, if we have to go the planned way, definitely our unit will be go accordingly with good system. Like in product life cycle, introductory phase, growth phase, maturity phase, like that. Same thing we have to go through. Because in developing countries like India, there is regional imbalance in respect of economic development. All regions or parts of the country are not equally developed. For development of sub-regions, industrial development is a prime factor. So if we have to look after these things, industrial development is to be taken place, then entrepreneurship helps to achieve balanced regional imbalances by setting off small scale industries, village and cotton industries, this type of. So balanced growth can be carried out by the means of entrepreneur in the process of entrepreneurship. Third is capital formation. हर आदमी पैसे के लिए काम करता है और किसी के बहुत कोई ऐसा ही शायद होगा जिसको पैसे की जरूरत नहीं. बट हाउ मच मनी वी नीड? समथिंग फॉर अस, समथिंग our association, or something for our societal benefit is to be there. So in the capital formation, entrepreneurship plays significant role in mobilizing savings of society towards industrial enterprises. The society invests the savings in the entrepreneurial activities. That's why the capital formation helps to exploit natural resources to create marketers to carry on the trade was there. So in this process, the capital formation, we have to stabilize this entrepreneurship, and this is the real concept, modern concept of entrepreneur for this development was there. Then self-employment. Self-employment. In a short visit, earlier when I was in Gujarat areas, there, I see that entrepreneurship concept is very well versed there. तो मैंने कुछ लोगों से पूछा, भाई आप पढ़ते हैं, काम करते हैं, तो ये बताइए आप छोटा छोटा काम करते हैं तो ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया मुझे. कहते सर, if we have to look after the managerial processes to be there and managerial things to be there, तो सर हम अपने यूनिट के खुद ओनर हैं, और जब हम खुद ओनर हैं तो इसकी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस की मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. दूसरा, मैं किसी का नौकर नहीं हूं. So this is the thing is to be there, because self-employment give you that type of gesture by which I am something and I am in need of the society, like that. So in the self-employment, entrepreneurship facilitates self-employment. The enterprising people employ their physical and mental capabilities for their personal benefit. So this type. Then employment generation, everyone knows this thing is to be there as employment generation, because when you have to any entrepreneur stabilize any type of unit, he needs some people, not in a very initial stage, but maybe in the phase to be there. As the things will grow on, he needs some people, or by which an employment was there. So he is a very beneficial of that also. Then optimum utilization of natural resources. Optimum utilization. We have been know that we have to utilize the resources, but as per the entrepreneur, optimum utilization should be there. Optimum should be there. So 100%, whatever the things is to be there. Like अगर हम लोग बात करें, like optimum, what is optimum utilization? जैसे आप सबको नीम का पेड़ पता होगा. नीम का ऐसा पेड़ है कि इसका हर चीज किसी ना किसी चीज में यूज होता है, किसी भी प्रोसेस में. पत्तियां, लीव्स, बार्क, स्टेम, रूट. आप जब बिल्कुल सूख जाए तो आप उसको जला भी सकते हैं. सब भी कीड़े पतंगे, कीड़ा मकोड़ा, ये सभी चीजें दूर करनी. सेम थिंग, whatever the work is to be there, optimum utilization. In the absence of entrepreneurship, the factors of production like land, labor, money, etc. would remain died or unused. Although entrepreneurship in the natural resources, the factors of production are assembled and put to use through business organizations. This type of characteristic will be there. Then next, variety of production and technology. In the entrepreneurial process was there. Entrepreneurship plays an important role in developing a variety of product and technologies. Because I already told you that entrepreneurs has now is gaining capacity with the knowledge and skills. If have this type of knowledge and skills they have to developing new product day by day. And this process of entrepreneurship, the varieties of production and technology can be cut down. Then entrepreneurship is now the change agent. This change the system. Samay. It brings about change in prevailing socio-economic setup by conceiving and developing new ideas and putting them into the action. Then now, because things are toward the side of the globalization, we are ready to leave or expand our business from one place to other places to be. In this, entrepreneurship promotes a country's export trade, which is an important ingredient to economic development. The growing entrepreneurial activities in various sectors of economic improves the export and builds a favorable balance of trade. It explores market availability, improves quality and the product services. Then, that is the you can say next point is to be there. That is quality enhancement through research and development, R&D. This is now modern concept is to be come down in the terms of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. In this R&D, entrepreneurship gives flip to research and development activities. The entrepreneur take effort in make their products capable to the needs of foreign markets. So now the scope is to be day by day increasing, and the entrepreneur can go up to the extraordinary industry. Then next, reduces the concentration of economic power. Earlier there were two things. वो एक आदमी के पास पैसा होता था, एक आदमी गरीब रहता था. Now, as per the economic development goes on, as per the entrepreneurs is going on in the process of entrepreneurship is to be developing day by day. This is the concentration of economic power is to be reduced, by which a few hand which is to be there. Then entrepreneurs from all societal areas to be coming down and undertake business activities and generate wealth. Then reduces the problem of brain drain. Brain drain reduces. Brain drain. हम जो सोचते हैं वो कर नहीं पाते, धीमे धीमे इट इज अ नेचुरल टेंडेंसी ऑफ द माइंड, हमारा माइंड वीक होता चला जाता है. So if the best employment opportunities are not available in the home country, the talented people go abroad. पहले क्या होता था कि जो मैं बात कर रहा हूं अपनी समय की, इन द 90s वगैरह में ज्यादातर आईएएस और पीसीएस लोग कहते थे, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग एनी टाइप ऑफ ट्रूथ टू बी देयर, व्हाटएवर द मैथोलॉजिकल व्यूज और अदर व्यूज हो गया, कि पहले केवल दो ही फील्ड होती थी, डॉक्टर्स या इंजीनियर्स. तो जो अच्छा ब्रेन होता था इंटर के बाद वो डॉक्टर्स इंजीनियर में चला जाता था, जो बचते थे वो बाकी जगह बीए बीएससी करते थे और कोचिंग करके आईएएस और पीसीएस बनते थे. नाउ आईएएस एंड पीसीएस व्हाटएवर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज यूज्ड टू बी देयर, दे आर द टॉप ब्रेन यूज्ड टू बी देयर. मेन ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट पॉलिसीज ये लोग बनाते हैं. उसमें आप सोचिए कि जो टॉप ब्रेन था वो, नाउ द कंडीशन विल बी चेंज आफ्टर द 10 years ऑफ टाइम, अराउंड 1998 कंडीशन, टॉप टेक्नोक्रेट्स ऑफ दिस कैरियर एज ए सिविल सर्विसेज. नाउ कंडीशंस की डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज बढ़ने लगी, ब्रेन ड्रेन होना बचने लगा. सो इन दिस वी हैव टू गो ऑन, because the entrepreneurship provides scope for their talent in home countries, offers good remunerations nowadays. Then entrepreneurship brings social stability. This is the prime. Entrepreneurship achieves social stability for meeting the diverse demands of the society and ensuring regular supply of essential goods and services. The non-availability and non-supply of the essential goods and services may cause social unrest. And finally, in the 14 points, if you have to look after, that is economic development. If everything goes on in a as per planned way, our economy will definitely go how? Economic. Entrepreneurship spells the difference between the prosperity and the poverty. Prosperity, upward. Poverty, हम जैसे हैं वैसे ही जिंदगी लेके काट लेंगे. This type of. So among the nations, the economic development of a country is quite impossible in the absence of entrepreneurship and the entrepreneur. Japan is the place where entrepreneurs have achieved success by hard work as well as imagination and ability. The same thing. The economic progress of USA and Western Europe also highlighted the significance of entrepreneurship. So, in the modern concept of entrepreneurship, if we have to look after, the condition will be little something very, very nice to be there. Because whatever, whether we have to come down the economic development, whether we have to come the entrepreneurship bring social stability was there, or we can just look after the problems of brain drain, condition will be day by day reducing to be there. In the modern concept of entrepreneurship, as the new companies coming down, as the new values is to be coming down, and the new concept was coming down by the means of industrialization, industrial development, national policies, national values, the things are very, very upon. Even in the process of that, in the export promotion, day by day should be going on, and variety of production and technologies come down, and optimum utilization of natural resources carried out under self-employment generation, balanced growth, voluntary initiations. This type of concept when now in the process of entrepreneurship development. In this modern concept of entrepreneurship, each and every concept this will be very, very clear. And the values is already surrounding in that way or areas to be there. So whatever the concept, if you have to look after, earlier the concept of need, today is converted to the power with affiliation. Condition will be changed. Then earlier we need money, now we need smart money. Smart money means we want to utilize the money. Here we want to live the money. But condition will change. Now the condition will stay by day, something is totally changed to there. In the modern concept, the utilization word come down. Utilization and optimum utilization we can say. So in this present situation, in the concluding values, whatever things to be there, because in the modern approach, if you have to look after, we have to look after the scientific approaches to be there. Earlier in the entrepreneurship process, enterprise, we have to stabilize the enterprise, और उसी enterprise को हम लोग समय से चलाते रहते हैं और चलता ही जाता है. कभी हम डाइवर्सिफिकेशन या बात नहीं करते. लखनऊ में भी हैं, बहुत सारे। एक स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज की अगर बात करें हम, तो लखनऊ में एक बहुत फेमस खस्ते वाला है। जब तक उसके फोरफादर थे, फोरफादर मैंने हम ग्रैंडफादर की बात करें, ग्रैंडफादर ही हैज रन द सेम बिजनेस वाज देयर, देन उसके जो फादर आए उन्होंने भी सेम पैटर्न पे काम किया। बिजनेस इज टू बी रनिंग डाउन डे बाय डे, डे बाय डे, डे बाय डे चल रहा, वेरी अच्छा बिजनेस, इट्स अ नाइस बिजनेस। बट नाउ व्हेन his son is to be coming down with the skills and knowledge, I already told you skills and knowledge, he is basically a technocrat. He has to come down. He told that whatever the business is coming down, it's fine, what else we can do down the things. Now he has to develop diversification in terms of he was prepare only the khasta, now he has to prepare only a very good sweets. Ek diversified, new employees come down, education of the employment, unemployment ho gaya. Then he has to stabilize something, diversification. I already told you, diversification is to be there in that way. Export in the terms of if he has to localize in certain areas, now he is to the second outlet in other place also. So in this modern concept, we have to look after the optimum utilization of resources with the growth phase. And if this concept was there, definitely we can enhance the values and traditions of the entrepreneurship what's to be coming down from the last so many years and from the initial point of view. So now I am just concluding. The session was there because in this modern approach we have definitely a good phase of life, and as a management scholars, as a management students, as a management fraternity, I have whatever this to be entrepreneur is really a good thing is to be. We should develop our entrepreneurial qualities, and by means of entrepreneurial qualities, we should develop our entrepreneurship prospects to be there. Thanks.